Hi, my name is Tanya Izikovic and I'm a cinematographer from Tel Aviv. Over the past nearly 20 years, I've been fortunate to work on fascinating projects, documentary films and TV series with acknowledged and talented directors, both locally and internationally. I work a lot with Canon cinema cameras, and I was really excited when they asked me to try the new Canon EOS R5C. Given this opportunity, I decided to do something totally different from what I usually do and set on a culinary shoot at Oasis, a chef restaurant in Tel Aviv. Chef Rima Olvera is a true artist, and every plate that leaves her kitchen has to be perfect.
That's what I wanted my restaurant to be.
So I was really excited about this shoot. I only had the camera for slightly less than an hour prior to the shoot. Nevertheless, I found the camera to be very easy to operate. The menu was very intuitive, at least for me as a long-time Canon EOS user. And the touchscreen made it very easy to move between the different modes and functions. This camera has a full-frame sensor, which is something that is really nice to have. And you can also switch very easily to Super 35 or Super 16, which allows you greater flexibility. I love the fact that this camera has a dual ISO, especially as I was switching between 25 to 100 frames per second and shooting in relatively low light conditions. I did miss the built-in ND that one has on other Canon cinema cameras, but this was quite easily solved with a variable ND filter. Original battery lasts about 40 minutes, and I think that the short battery life is the main flaw of this camera. But there are, of course, different solutions available, such as a battery grip or connecting the camera to an external power bank or a Vlog battery. Built-in XLR inputs would be great to have, as well as an SDI or at least a full HDMI output. Although the camera can record 8K RAW internally, I shot 4K 10-bit XFABC Canon Log 3. I found the image quality to be amazing. I was really impressed by the way that it captured all these tiny little particles. Another thing that I really like about this camera is that it's a true hybrid camera, combining a professional photo and a cinema camera in the same camera body.